guys, welcome to my space. It's your favorite science tutor. On to another example for one linear, one quadratic. As written on the board. Many times the question changes. So it all depends on how you approach the problem. But at the end of the day, you will arrive at the right answer if you follow the right procedure. Now this is more of like a quadratic. It is having an x and y put together. So quadratic and then a linear. Now in solving a problem of this nature, we follow the same procedure. We have xy equals 14. This will give us equation 1. Then we have 4x plus 3y equals 29. This will give us equation 2. Now, what we do from equation 1, we could make either x or y the subject. So if we are going with x simply will give us 14 divided by y. So we can call this equation 3. Then we say, put equation 3 into equation 2. So that gives us 4. Remember, x is 14 all over y plus 3y equal to 29. So 14 times 4 gives us 4 is 16, carry 1. So we have 56 over y plus 3y equals 29. At this point, I can take the LCM all through in order to clear fraction. So this divide, get 1 times 56. This gives us 56 plus this divide 1 is y times 3y. That gives us 3y squared, which is equal to y divide 1 times 21. This is good. So we have 4 times 14, which gives us 56 over y plus 3y. This is more of like over 1, which is equal to 29 over 1. In order to clear the fraction, LCM is y. So this times this cancels. So we are left with 56 plus this y divided by 1 is y times 3y gives us 3y squared equals y divided 1 is y times 29, we have 29y. At the end of the day, we have the equation in this form: 56 plus 3y squared equal to 29y. Now rearranging the equation is going to take this shape: 3y squared crosses over minus 29y plus 56 equals 0. At this point, we solve quadratically. First times the last, this times this, so we have 3 times 6, that's 18, carry 1, 3 times 5, 15 plus 1, 16. So I have 168y squared. Plus, so we find two numbers such that when we add them together, it's going to give us the middle term, which is minus 29. So we shall be going for, if I divide this by 8, it's going to give me factors of 8 and 21y. I think if I add this together, it's going to give me 29. So how about my signs? I could go for minus minus. So that minus times minus is a plus. Minus minus is a minus. So I'll replace these two with this. So I'm replacing minus 29y with minus 8y and minus 21y. So that makes 3y squared minus 8y minus 21y, replacing minus 29y plus 56 equals 0. Grouping in twos, then collecting like terms. Like terms here we have y into 3y minus 8 minus like terms here we have 7 can go, so 7 into 21 is 3y minus, because minus times minus is a plus, 7 times 8 will give us 56 equals 0. So you can see we have common terms here, common factors, so we pick one. 3y minus 8 is 1 pair, and then we have y minus 7. So y minus 7 equals 0. Equating both to 0, that gives us 3y equals 8 or y equals 7. So y is equal to 8 over 3 or y is equal to 7. So we have obtained two values for y. Now we move on to finding the values of x for each of the y values. So how do we go about that? We fall back to our equation 3. This is a vital equation. So from equation 3, we know that x is equal to 14 over y. So let's substitute. So when x is equal to 8 over 3, that is in the first case, rather y is equal to 8 over 3, in the first case, x will be equal to 14 divided by 8 over 3. So x will be equal to 14 times 3 all over 8. 2 here is 4, 2 here is 7. So that makes 21 all over 4. For the second case, when y equals 7, x is equal to 14 over y is 7, which is equal to 2. So therefore, my coordinates, my solutions will be, in the first case, x is 21 over 4 when y was 8 over 3. And then we also have the second case, x is 2 while y is 7. So we have been able to establish the roots, the solution to these equations. I'm sure this is self-explanatory and clear to us. Thank you for watching this video. See you for more videos. Have a nice day.